In this video, I will show you how to replace the vapor canister purge valve solenoid on 2007 to 2012 Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra equipped with 8-cylinder engine. Step number 1. Park the truck on a level surface, engage the parking brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the engine compartment and remove the upper engine cover by simply pulling it upwards with your hands as shown on the screen. 3. Remove the nut that holds the wiring loom to the top of the engine using a ratchet and a 10 mm socket. Once the nut has been removed, slide the wire loom back slightly. 4. Disconnect the vacuum hose from the purge valve solenoid by pressing inward on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling outward with your hand. 5. Disconnect the electrical cable from the solenoid by pressing outward on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling outward with your hand as shown on the screen. 6. Disconnect the vacuum hose from the intake manifold by pressing to the left on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling outward with your hand. 7. Insert a small flathead screwdriver behind the solenoid to release the retaining clip and gently pull the solenoid upwards with your hand. 8. Once the solenoid is released from its base, pull it upwards to gain access to the other hose. 9. Disconnect the vacuum hose from the damaged solenoid by pressing to the left on the connector lock and simultaneously pulling the hose outwards with your hand as shown on the screen. 10. Install the vacuum hose onto the replacement solenoid in its original position by pressing it inward with your hand ensuring it fits correctly. 11. Install the solenoid onto its base in its original position by pressing it inward with your hand ensuring it fits correctly, and likewise, install the vacuum hose onto the intake manifold in its original position by pressing it inward with your hand ensuring it fits correctly. 12. Connect the vacuum hose to the other end of the solenoid by pressing it inward with your hand in its original position ensuring it fits correctly, and likewise, connect the electrical plug in its original position by pressing it inward with your hand ensuring that it fits correctly. 13. Fasten the wire loom in its original position and install and tighten the nut firmly. Similarly, install the upper engine cover in its original position by pressing it downward with your hands ensuring it fits correctly. 14. Clear the fault codes using a diagnostic tool and start the engine to ensure that the check engine light doesn't stay illuminated when the engine is running. That's how simple it is to replace the canister purge valve solenoid on 2007 to 2012 Chevrolet Silverado, Chevy Tahoe, Suburban, GMC Sierra and GMC Yukon equipped with 8-cylinder engine.